Hello students, this is called the unit cell and unit cell is two type. Few details we have discussed about the unit cell also, and now there are two type of unit cell. First is called simple or primitive unit cell and second one is called centered unit cell. Unit cell in general we can say unit cell is the cube like structure which repeat again and again and generate a crystal lattice type structure in large form in the space. In this way, it forms the sequence arrangement of the crystalline solid. Every crystalline solid is made up of the tiny, smallest substance, is tiny, smallest particles, and which is arranged in sequence order by the arrangement of atom ions or molecules. A regular pattern is called crystalline solid. So when the crystalline solid will arrange large form as a unit cell, it will form the crystal lattice. So we can say, for example, a unit cell we can discuss there, just as in a building, always made up of large number of rooms and rooms are there, and different types of um, arrangement are there. So every rooms when combined and they collect, so it form the building. And same as when we discuss about the rooms, every or each room is made up of by the bricks. So when we discuss room is made up of bricks, in this way all the buildings are made up of the bricks, because in buildings or in rooms walls are made up of there. तो walls, जो रूम की जो वॉल होती हैं वो ब्रिक्स से मिलकर बनी होती हैं. तो सेम एज जब ब्रिक्स क्या होते हैं पूरे वॉल्स को डिजाइन करते हैं, तो एक रूम डिजाइन करते हैं, रूम से क्या होता है बिल्डिंग डिजाइन होता है. इस तरीके से जो यहाँ पे हम कह सकते हैं जो उस पूरे बिल्डिंग का यूनिट पार्ट ब्रिक्स कह सकते हैं. तो बिल्डिंग का यूनिट पार्ट क्या कहलाएगा, ब्रिक्स कहलाएगा. सेम एज किसी भी मैटर में या किसी भी सब्सटेंस में जब हम उसके अरेंजमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल्स को देखते हैं, तो जो उससे एक न्यू टाइप ऑफ अरेंजमेंट डिस्कवर होता है या फॉर्म जनरेट होता है, अरेंजमेंट जनरेट होता है, तो वो यूनिट सेल के थ्रू ही जनरेट होता है. और यूनिट सेल जो होता है हमारा क्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है, और जिससे क्या होता है लार्ज फॉर्म में क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड का फॉर्मेशन होता है. तो यहाँ पे जो यूनिट सेल हैं वो हमारे दो तरीके से होते हैं. मीन्स यूनिट सेल आर टू टाइप, सिंपल प्राइमेटिव यूनिट सेल और सेंटर यूनिट सेल. सिंपल जो यूनिट सेल होते हैं, सिंपल यूनिट सेल और प्राइमेटिव यूनिट सेल, we can define this in this type of unit cell. In each corner of the cube points are situated there, and by the using of the sequence arrangement of these points they form a cube like structure. Very simple type of structure it is representing there, so that's why it is known as simple or primitive unit cell. If we see in this, so atoms are situated at their each corner, so we can say there are 8 corners. If you will see 1 2 3 4, same as 1 2 3 4, so 4 4 8, so 8 corner are there. So in this way it is called the 8 corners of the simple primitive unit cell. And sides is, if we talk about the its side, so A is equal to B is equal to C मीन्स अगर आप इसमें हम डायरेक्शन देखते हैं, हम इसमें इसका पैरामीटर्स अगर हम देखते हैं तो पैरामीटर क्या होता है इसका, एंगल ऑफ पैरामीटर अगर हम बात करते हैं अल्फ़ा, बीटा और गामा, जो कि हर एक साइड में 90 डिग्री से अरेंजमेंट होता है। तो इसका एक साइड ये हो गया, सेकंड साइड ये हो गया, थर्ड साइड ये हो गया। इस तरीके से ये क्या कहलाता है आपका सिंपल प्राइमेटिव यूनिट सेल कहलाता है। और यूनिट सेल के यूनिट सेल के अरेंजमेंट के बेस में हमने इसको दो पार्ट में डिवाइड किया था, सिंपल यूनिट सेल और सेंटर्ड यूनिट सेल। स्टूडेंट्स, centered unit cell, again centered unit cell are made up of three types. We can say BCC, second FCC, and third is called ECC. ECC. BCC is called body centered cubic cell. FCC is called face centered cubic cell. Face centered cubic cell. And ECC is called end centered unit cell. So we can say centered unit cell is made up of by the using of three type of unit cell, that is called BCC, FCC, ECC. Now we will define the each one by one. Come to the point of BCC. Let's come to the point of BCC. This is called BCC. So as a sequence we know about that. Suppose that in BCC full form is known as body centered unit cell. So we can define also the BCC as in this body centered unit cell, each corner of the body unit cell, there is a atom or as a point situated there, and along with this, in each corner of the body centered unit cell, points are situated there, and apart from this, another point also situated there, center part of the body inside of the body centered unit cell. So in this way we can say that arrangement of the points are there. So 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1, and inside of the body 1 point is also in there. So total number of points are, as a rank wise, we can say 2. So this is called the body centered unit cell. So only you will see the definition there. In body centered unit cell, at each corner points are situated there. Along with this, center part of the body unit cell, another point also situated there, that is called body centered unit cell. Okay. Second we have face centered unit cell. So students, you will see there in the face centered unit cell there, like FCC is known as. So in each corner points are situated there. In each corner of the FCC, points are situated there, and along with this, in each face In each face of the FCC unit cell, in each face, center part of the each face, points are situated there. So in this way we can say there are a total number of faces are there 6, and points will be there 6 also, and each corner also 8 points are situated there. So in this way we can calculate this to by the two process. One is called atom each corner, 8 into 1 by 8 is called 1, and face centered 6 into 1 by 2, it is known as 1 by 2 means face. So face is designed in two types, 6 into 2 3, so overall 3 plus 1 is called 4. 3 plus 1 is called 4. This is the rank of the FCC unit cell. Same as ECC. So student, you will see there ECC full form is end centered unit cell. We can define this properly. In this atom, in this end centered unit cell, atoms are situated in the form of points each corner, and along with this, any in this cube, any sides of the opposite face, that is called end portion of the cube. This is called the end portion of the cube. This is one side and second is this side. So this is called the two end side against each other. So this is called the end centered. We can take there toward the up and down, and left and right we can take there also. So at a time we have taken there only up and down side. So you will see there each corner of the cube, points are situated there, and across the two faces up and down side, 2 points are also situated in each center of the faces, two sides. So in this way we can calculate this. 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1, and 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Total number of ranking is 2. So this is called the end centered unit cell. Okay, so these are the definition of centered. These are the types of the centered unit cell, which are the three types: BCC, FCC, ECC. So in this way different types of centered unit cell are explained by us. Thank you.